My name is Jon McKibben. I'm 54 years old. I live just outside of Jefferson, Oregon, Talbot. I ended up with 7 knee surgeries over the years, 3 on my left and 4 on my right. And it slowed me down. I ended up getting arthritis in my knees and deteriorating. And it was very painful for me to get out and do what I like to do. And that's fishing and hunting and working. And I'm a very active individual. I was at work and there was a new air compressor that we needed to install. And it probably weighed 400, 500 pounds. It was a big air compressor. I was sliding it across the floor and the bottom end of it slipped out from underneath it and it started falling over. Well, it was a brand new air compressor and I tried to stop it. So I grabbed a hold of the top of it and I kind of stepped into it. As I was stepping into it, my left knee blew out. I was in there at 5:30 in the morning. They started surgery at 7:30. I was in recovery at 9:30, and I was walking at 11 a.m. It's been 6 months. I'm out hiking and hunting, and at work I end up climbing up and down the ladders. That's required for my job, and it's just good to be back and be mobile and not have that pain. One of my nieces got married this year. I was out dancing with the kids, and they were like, "Uncle John's busting a move." So it was good. I enjoyed that, and they enjoyed it, and so did my wife. And we look forward to doing some more dancing and hiking and stuff like that together. So.